As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Master Cook 3-burner and the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Master Cook is definitely bigger, right? It's got 3 burners, putting out 30,000 BTUs, and a cooking area of 472 square inches.
Exactly. And the Char-Broil only has 2 burners with 20,000 BTUs and a cooking area of 280 square inches. So if I'm grilling for a larger group, the Master Cook seems like the better choice.
Definitely. But the Char-Broil has a side burner, which could be handy for sauces or side dishes. Does the Master Cook have that?
Nope, no side burner. But it does have foldable side shelves, which is a nice space-saving feature.
True. The Char-Broil has a side shelf too, but it's not foldable. It also says it's Gear Tracks ready, whatever that means. You can apparently add accessories.
Interesting. What about the materials? Both seem to be stainless steel, at least partially.
Yeah, both have stainless steel burners and handles. The Master Cook highlights its stainless steel control panel, making it more durable and easier to clean. The Char-Broil boasts porcelain-coated wire grates, which they say heat up fast and are easy to clean.
Okay, good to know. And what about size? The Master Cook is bigger overall, at 46.5 inches wide, while the Char-Broil is 45.6 inches. Not a huge difference, but something to consider for patio space.
Right. The Char-Broil is also lighter, only 37.5 pounds compared to the Master Cook's 46.6 pounds. Makes it easier to move around, I guess.
Good point. Price-wise, the Char-Broil is cheaper at $139, while the Master Cook is around $199. So you're paying more for the extra burner and space.
And Amazon's Choice badge. The Char-Broil has that. Plus, it has a longer warranty on the burners, 5 years.
Okay, so bigger cooking area and foldable shelves versus side burner, lighter weight, and a longer burner warranty. I'll have to think about what my priorities are. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.